Day 3 of my 90 days of cloud journey, and today I explored Ubuntu, both the desktop environment and the terminal. The GUI felt familiar. I could open apps, browse settings, manage files, and even install software through the software center, just like Windows, but more minimal. It's great for getting started. But then I opened the terminal, and that's where the real magic began. I customized my terminal look, navigated directories with CD and LS, created and managed files using Torch, CP, MV, and even peeked inside the file using cat. I also explored the Linux file system, each serving a unique purpose. One command that really stood out was man. It means manual. It's like a built-in help for every command. For example, running man ls shows all the options for listing files. It's like having Google inside the terminal. Here is what I learned. While the GUI is friendly, the terminal is powerful. In the cloud, most servers don't even have a GUI. Everything is done through the terminal because it's faster, more scriptable, and gives full control. Today wasn't just about learning Linux commands, it was about shifting my mindset from being a user to becoming someone who commands the cloud.